Welcome back. In previous video we made this brand name page. So in this video we are gonna make sign in page. So let's choose a frame F1LM Pro Max. Okay, like this. Let's rename it into like sign in. So as you can see in wireframe we place the image. So we are gonna place image but in different format. So let's make a circle and the shortcut is O, and let's draw it on the frame like this. Let's make it up to like 450. I think we have to make it bigger a little bit. Let's make it up to like 70. Okay. Okay, let's adjust the edges so you can see there's a gap. So let's move towards the right. Okay, like this. Okay, select the circle. Let's change the color. Let's make it gradient. Choose the linear, and the first color is gonna be our red color, and the second color is gonna be our purple color, like this. Okay, let's close this tab. Okay, now we have circle, so let's duplicate this circle. Select the circle, hold Alt and drag it like this, and select this circle. Go to our shape tool and choose place image, and let's choose this pizza image. Open, and let's place it on the this first ellipse. So after placing image, select the circle, this one, and let's move on the our frame like this. Let's align it together. Okay, and select the circle. So let's decrease the opacity up to like 70 to 80%. Let's check 70%. Okay, this looks cool. And you can see in wireframe we place the brand name, so that is Lattofatto. Let's drag it, select the brand name, hold Alt and move it on the second frame like this. Okay. Okay, let's decrease the font size up to like 50, and let's adjust it into center. Okay, like this looks cool. Okay, now let's make this sign in navigation bar. So I'm gonna use the different method for it. Let's add a rectangle like this. I think I have to increase a little bit. Okay, let's align it at the center. Okay, it is in the center now. Let's drag it upward. So let's change the edges up to like 35, and now let's change the color of it into white. So let's add some effect like drop shadow. Okay, let's add this some settings. Blur, let's make blur up to 15 and spread up to 2. Y is gonna be Y. Okay, now this looks cool. So let's make a login and sign up button. So let's choose a rectangle. I added some dimension. You can see the width is 264 and height is 45, and the X and Y position you can see here. So let's make it the sharp corner into round. Let's make it up to 30. Let's duplicate this shape. Let's make it up to half, and let's change the color of it. Let's make it like a, let's choose this purple one, and let's place it on the top of this. Okay, like this. Okay, let's change the color of that first shape. Let's make it white, little bit grayish. Okay, like this. Okay, let's add some effect. Click on effect. So you can see the drop shadow is added. I think it looks okay, so I'm gonna leave as it is. So let's make a text. The first one is gonna be login. Okay, the currently the font is sensitive one, so let's change it into like Poppins, and let's make font up to. Let's adjust the font according to this shape. Okay, it is in the center now. So let's duplicate this text and let's make it sign up. So currently it is totally white, so that's why it is not visible. So select the font, let's make it black, or if you want you can choose this color. It will also look cool. And let's align it, let's adjust it manually at the center. Okay, like this. I think this is a bit okay. Now this looks cool. If I zoom out, you can see the interface of the sign in page. It looks like this. So let's make username, password. So go to shapes, choose the line, and let's make it over here. And let's adjust the, let's change the angle into 0. So let's adjust into middle. Okay, it is in the middle. And let's duplicate this same line. Hold Alt, drag it down. Let's add some text like email. Okay, let's decrease the font size up to like 10, and then let's adjust the text. Let's change the color of this text and also the color of line. Let's make it okay like this one, and let's change the color of this line also. Go to stroke, and I think let's select the drop tool and let's make it like this one. Select email and user, hold Alt, drag it downwards, and let's change it into password, and also change the color of this line. Now let's make a forgot password. Select this password text, hold Alt, place it here. Okay, let's adjust like this. Let's make login button. Let's copy this shape. I think this is gonna be fine. Okay, let's change the color of it. Currently it is kind of gray. Let's make it up to like this purple color, and I select this font, move it here. Let's align it together. Select both the things, hold using shift, bottom, horizontal. Okay, it is in the center now. So let's change the type of font. Currently it is regular, so let's make it semi bold so it will look more cool. Okay, like this. Okay, what else remaining? So you can see in wireframe we made everything, so only things are remaining like this login with buttons. Okay, let's add them from the local files. Okay, let's import those svg files. Okay, let's select the Twitter. First let's group them together. So why we are grouping them? Because these are the svg files. Let's say I want to like move in somewhere, so you can see the, if I select on this icon, you can see the vector is selected, so it is gonna be mismatched with our project, so that's why we are grouping with it. If I select this whole thing and group them together using Ctrl G, so it is grouped now, and if I click on this, you can see I can move it wherever I want. So let's delete this one. Okay, let's adjust the height of the all the logos of Twitter and the Facebook up to like 50, raised to 50, height and the width also for Facebook, and also for Google. So we are adjusting width and height, so it is adjust now. Let's place them one by one. The one thing is remaining is that we have to add a text, that is or. Let's choose this text and hold Alt and move it at the center, and let's make it or. Let's adjust into center. The Figma is really smart. It automatically gonna tell you where is the center of it and also the spacing in between them. think let's increase the font size up to like 12. Okay, our sign in page is ready now. So in next video we are gonna create a sign up page. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.